from the drum, the beat is in keeping. As the plot thickens, the rabbit hole deepens. Alice in Wonderland, searching and seeking. Information download, conversing and reading. Studying the lines and spelling between us. Looking for the rope, ain't no little freezing. And now we're here, and this is for our freedom. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Drop my boy, drop, and you drop your gun. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Rubbo, and you know when I make my done. Think of all the baby them was just come. All my know that them on me when I was young. All my auntie and my uncle and my cousins taught me all about a culture and our customs. Even though they went no feeder for no trust funds. Zion train to run the bus stop when the bus comes. On the road to Zion, close enough to just run. Zion's door, man get no entry as a +1. Wash your heart, be sure your sins are washed gone. Don't be no fool, no footstool for the ones that got fun. Be your old horse, cut the roads are lost ones. Brixton to Edmonton, streets are cold, man in that with a hot one. But mommy never raised me up for Boston. This one's for my young guns in London. Put the guns down, but on the bus a blank pop pop. Rubba-pom-pom, rubba-pom-pom. Easy. We're gonna go into a little section where Yano's gonna go into his vault and play you some world exclusives that you've never seen or heard before. Big up my man on the canal side. Big up yourself, bro. Check out the exclusives. Never heard before.
Hey, no travel or transaction without vaccination, like a snapshot selfie from the chapter of Revelations. Only after a little self-preservation, the roads paved with good intention, hell's the destination. Satanic pedophile rings under investigation. Nowhere left to march after a summer of demonstrations. Alongside the youngest generation, strung out on medication without no regulation, even declined by the World Health Organization. Piss on the pavement, pour out my libations, cause it's a piss take, just cut back some privatization. From Reagan and Thatcher, everyone horizon awaiting. Terrorist attackers.
Yeah, no, Zulu Clouds coming soon, you watch out. You ain't ready, but that's alright, we're ready for you.